Today, I'm going to talk about a common obstacle that holds many people back from achieving their dreams, and that's procrastination. I'll discuss how it can prevent you from getting started on your journey to make money online, and how the principles from the book, The 5-Second Rule by Mel Robbins, can help you eliminate procrastination for good. Welcome to Wombat Coaching. Are you ready to dive in? This video is packed with valuable insights, so lean in, grab your notepad and prepare to jot down some life-changing notes. Do you procrastinate? What is procrastination? Well, it's like that magical ability to turn a 5-minute task into a 5-hour adventure. It's when your to-do list becomes a to-do eventually list and you find yourself doing everything but the thing you're supposed to do. It's the art of convincing yourself that you work better under pressure while binge watching cat videos. Procrastination is like borrowing time from your future self and then realising that your future self has terrible time management skills too. The problem with procrastination. Procrastination is a common hurdle that many of us face when pursuing our dreams, especially in the realm of making money online. It's a subtle but insidious enemy that keeps us from making the necessary actions to achieve our goals. The longer we delay, the more opportunities we miss out on. So let's delve deeper into why procrastination can be so detrimental and how it can hinder your progress in the online earning world. Procrastination often rears its head due to various factors. It can be a result of fear, self-doubt, or simply feeling overwhelmed by the magnitude of the task at hand. When we procrastinate, we delay the very actions that could lead to our success. In the online earning landscape, this can mean missing out on lucrative opportunities, failing to capitalise on trending niches, and not taking the essential steps to grow your online presence and income. Overcoming procrastination is a crucial step towards achieving success in the online world. By understanding its causes and effects, we can begin to develop effective strategies to combat it. I'm now going to introduce you to a powerful tool, the 5-Second Rule by Mel Robbins. This rule can help you break free from the grip of procrastination and propel yourself towards your online earning goals. The 5-Second Rule is inspired by Mel Robbins' book of the same name. It's a deceptively simple yet incredible effective technique for combating procrastination. The concept is straightforward. When you have a task or goal in mind, count down from 5 to 1 and then take immediate action. This countdown creates a sense of urgency that overrides the habitual overthinking, hesitation, and self-doubt that often leads to procrastination. Mel Robbins' research suggests that when you hit 1 in the countdown, your brain interprets it as a signal to start moving, effectively bypassing the resistance that keeps you from taking action. This concept is rooted in the psychology of motivation and behavioural change. So let's delve deeper into the psychology behind the 5-Second Rule and provide real-life examples of how it has transformed people's lives, helping them overcome procrastination and achieve their goals. The psychology of the 5-Second Rule. The 5-Second Rule operates on the principle of immediate action. When you count down from 5 to 1 and then take action, you're essentially hijacking the part of your brain responsible for overthinking and self-doubt. This quick countdown triggers a shift from the thinking brain to the doing brain. So here's a brief breakdown of the psychology at play. Interrupting negative patterns. Procrastination often stems from patterns of hesitation and avoidance. The 5-Second Rule interrupts these patterns by introducing a moment of decisiveness. It forces you to act before your mind can conjure up excuses or doubts, creating a sense of urgency. The countdown creates a sense of urgency, which is a powerful motivator. When you're faced with a rapidly decreasing countdown, your brain perceives it as a call to action, reducing the likelihood of delaying tasks. Commitment and accountability. By counting down and taking action, you make a commitment to yourself. This self-imposed accountability can be a strong driving force as it becomes a matter of honouring your word to yourself. Now let's take a look at some real-life examples of how individuals have harnessed the 5-second rule to conquer procrastination and achieve their goals. Entrepreneurial success. Many entrepreneurs credit the 5-second rule for helping them overcome the fear of failure and take bold steps. For instance, an aspiring business owner might use the rule to initiate a critical phone call with a potential investor or launch a new product line without overthinking. Fitness and health. People struggling with exercise and diet routines have found success by using the 5-second rule. So when the alarm goes off in the morning and the temptation to hit the snooze button arises, counting down and jumping out of bed becomes a habit, making consistent workouts a reality. Public speaking. Overcoming stage fright is another area where the 5-second rule has made a significant difference. Speakers count down and take that first step onto the stage, bypassing anxiety and delivering confident presentations. Productivity at work. Employees and freelancers have reported increased productivity by using the 5-second rule to tackle challenging tasks or respond to important emails promptly. It breaks the cycle of procrastination and promotes efficient work habits. These examples demonstrate that the 5-second rule is a versatile tool that can be applied in various aspects of life. Its psychological impact, combined with real-world success stories, showcases its effectiveness in helping people overcome procrastination and take meaningful steps towards their goals. So how can the 5-second rule help you? Now let's explore how the 5-second rule can be a game changer in your online earning journey. By applying this rule to your daily activities, you can develop the habit of taking swift and decisive action towards your goals. Whether you're researching new income streams, creating content, or networking within your niche, acting promptly will help you build momentum and see results more rapidly. Let's explore specific strategies for implementing the 5-second rule in various crucial aspects of your online business, including content creation, marketing, and networking. These strategies will empower you to use the 5-second rule effectively, helping you overcome procrastination and take consistent steps towards growing your online income. So here's a breakdown of these strategies. Content creation. Instant idea execution. When you come up with a content idea or topic, don't let it linger in your mind. Immediately count down from 5 to 1 and then start researching, outlining, or writing your content. This prevents ideas from getting lost or delayed. Schedule creation time. Set specific times for content creation in your daily or weekly schedule. When that time arrives, use the 5-second rule to jump into action. This regularly will help you build a consistent content pipeline. Break it down. If creating content feels overwhelming, break it down into smaller tasks such as research, outlining, writing, and editing. Apply the 5-second rule to each of these steps to make progress steadily. Marketing. Quick response to opportunities. In online marketing, opportunities will often arise unexpectedly, such as trending topics or industry events. Use the 5-second rule to respond swiftly, draft a social media post, create a blog post, or engage in real-time conversations to leverage these opportunities. Outsourcing work. When you identify potential collaborators or outreach targets, count down and send that initial email. Don't overthink it. This quick action can lead to valuable connections and partnerships. Consistent social media. Make it a habit to engage with your audience on social media daily. Use the 5-second rule to respond to comments, share valuable content, and participate in conversations. This builds up a stronger online presence. Event participation. When you discover industry-related webinars, conferences or networking events, commit to participating. Use the 5-second rule to register, mark your calendar, and actively engage during the event. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. Cold outreach. If there are professionals or influencers you'd like to connect with, don't hesitate. Count down and send that introductory message or connection request on platforms like LinkedIn. Quick outreach can lead to meaningful connections. Follow up. After networking events or meetings, promptly follow up with your contacts. Use the 5-second rule to send a thank you message, share resources, or schedule further discussions. Timely follow-ups strengthen relationships. Self-development and learning. The daily learning habit. Dedicate a portion of your daily routine to learning and self-improvement. Whether it's reading industry-related articles, watching instructional videos, or taking online courses, create a specific time slot for learning. Immediate application. When you come across valuable insights or actionable knowledge during your learning sessions, apply the 5-second rule. Instead of merely absorbing information, count down and take immediate action to implement what you've learned. Skill development. Identify specific skills or areas that can benefit your online business, such as content creation, graphic design, or data analysis. Use the 5-second rule to initiate practice sessions or exercises that enhance these skills. Networking with experts. If you encounter experts or mentors in your field, don't hesitate to reach out. Use the 5-second rule to send a message expressing your interest in learning from them or seeking guidance. These interactions can provide valuable insights and mentorship. Goal setting. Regularly set learning goals for yourself. When you identify a skill or area you want to improve, create a plan with actionable steps. Then use the 5-second rule to initiate each step, ensuring consistent progress. Investing in software tools. Identify your needs. Regularly assess your online business operations to identify areas where software tools can streamline processes, improve productivity, or enhance outcomes. This could include tools for content creation, research, social media management, email marketing, or analytics. Research and selection. When you identify a need for a particular software tool, don't procrastinate on researching and selecting the right one. Use the 5-second rule to initiate the research process. Look for reviews, compare features, and make an informed decision quickly. Free trials. Many software providers offer free trials of their products. Take advantage of these opportunities by using the 5-second rule to sign up for trials when you believe a tool could benefit your business. This allows you to test its suitability without delay. Integration. If you decide to invest in a software tool, ensure that you promptly integrate it with your workflow. Use the 5-second rule to set up accounts, configure settings, and begin using the tool to its full potential. Training and mastery. Learning to use the new software tools effectively can be a valuable skill. When you acquire a new tool, dedicate time to mastering it. Use the 5-second rule to initiate your learning process, whether it involves watching tutorials, reading documentation, or taking online courses. Automation. Leverage automation features within software tools to save time and reduce manual tasks. Once you identify opportunities for automation, use the 5-second rule to set up and activate these processes promptly. By implementing these strategies in your online KDP business, you'll harness the power of the 5-second rule to take swift and consistent action. This proactive approach will help you overcome procrastination, seize opportunities, and ultimately contribute to the growth of your online income. Remember, the key is to make the 5-second rule a habitual part of your routine, ensuring that you don't miss out on valuable chances to advance your online earning journey. So here are some practical tips to help you implement the 5-second rule effectively in your daily life. Number 1, practice the 5-second rule whenever you think of a task or goal. Count down from 5 to 1 and then take immediate action. This simple ritual can break the cycle of procrastination. Number 2, break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Each of these smaller steps can be tackled using the 5-second rule, making the overall task less intimidating. Number 3, keep a notepad or digital tool handy to jot down ideas and tasks as they come to mind. Then use the 5-second rule to take immediate action on these items, preventing them from accumulating and overwhelming you. Number 4, use the 5-second rule to overcome common procrastination triggers, such as the fear of failure, perfectionism, or the lack of motivation. When you count down and act, you're more likely to push past these barriers. Number 5, create a supportive environment that encourages quick action. Set up a dedicated workspace for your online endeavours, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who motivate you, and eliminate distractions that might tempt you to procrastinate. By incorporating these practical tips and the 5-second rule into your daily routine, you can overcome procrastination and make significant strides in your journey to make money online. Remember that consistent action is the key to success in the online earning world, and the 5-second rule can be your powerful ally in this endeavour. Now go out there and start earning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Wombat Coaching for more inspiring and educational content. See you in the next video.